1, 2, 1, 2. Let's sing and tap our shoes.
Yeah. 1, 2, buckle my shoe.
3, 4, open the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks.
7, 8, lay them straight.
9, 10,
Do it again.
1, 2, buckle my shoe.
3, 4, open the door.
5, 6, pick up sticks.
7, 8, lay them straight.
9, 10, a big fat hen.
Wow, gardening sure is a lot of work.
But it's easier when I have friends like you to help me. Thanks, Jack.
You're welcome, Mary. But you sure have been growing a lot of fruits and vegetables lately.
I have been planning for the garden party tonight. I need 10 of everything.
Wait, 10? That is a lot.
Not just 10 either. 10 tomatoes, 10 peppers, 10 strawberries, 10 carrots,
Whoa,
10
whoa, whoa, whoa,
blueberries.
yikes! Slow down. How are we gonna count that high? What if we skip a number? What if we lose track?
Don't worry. We have a tool that's perfect for counting.
We do?
Of course, our fingers.
Counting, counting, counting 1 to 10. Counting, counting, counting 1 to 10. 1 to 10 and 10 to 1 and do it all again. Counting, counting, counting 1 to 10.
Let's do this.
1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait, there's more. 8, 9, 10, 10, 10, 10. Counting, counting, counting 1 to 10.
This is easy.
Counting, counting, counting 1 to 10. Counting, counting, counting 1 to 10. 1 to 10 and 10 to 1 and do it all again. Counting, counting, counting 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait, there's more. 8, 9, 10, 10, 10, 10. Counting, counting, counting 1 to 10.
Now these.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Counting, counting, counting 1 to 10. Counting, counting, counting 1 to 10. 1 to 10 and 10 to 1 and do it all again. Counting, counting, counting 1 to 10. Counting 1 to 10. Counting 1 to 10.
Wow, that was fun. But I still have these strawberries left. Can we count these too?
Sure, but this time let's eat while we count. All that singing made me hungry.
Me too.
Do you have a garden? Growing your own food is super fun and delicious. All you need is some dirt, water, and some seeds.
And your fingers
Your fingers.
to count all the yummy foods you grow.
Oh, bye. Have fun playing in your garden. Baba, do you have any 6s?
Yes.
Eep, you win.
I win? I win!
See, I told you sleepovers were fun.
Is this your first ever sleepover?
Yeah, I guess so.
You're going to love it. Sleepovers at Mary's house are the best.
Okay, I've got extra pillows. Oh, perfect. I'm so sleepy. Well, it looks like it's time for bed.
Okay, so it's a little tight, but can you believe all 6 of us fit? Actually, why is it that little Mary has such a big bed?
I guess I'll grow into it, right? Sweet dreams, everybody. I don't think I'm sleepy yet. Anyone want to play one more game?
Oh, it's okay, Eep. I know it can be kind of hard to go to sleep when you're not in your own bed.
I guess it is kind of different.
Maybe a bedtime song would help.
Ooh, do you know the one about 6 kids all in one bed?
There were 6 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, so they all rolled over and one fell out. There were 5 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, so they all rolled over and one fell out. Roll over, roll over, roll over, roll over, roll over, roll over, roll over. There were 4 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, so they all rolled over and one fell out. There were 3 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, so they all rolled over and one fell out. Roll over, roll over, roll over, roll over, roll over, roll over, roll over. There were 2 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, so they all rolled over and one fell out. There was 1 in the bed, and the little one said, good night, good night, good night.
Now that's fast asleep.
He looks so peaceful.
So, where do we sleep now? I don't want to wake him up.
Mary, do you have any sleeping bags?
Of course. I know it can be hard to sleep when you're not in your own bedroom.
But it's nothing a good song won't fix.
Or a good story. Or good friends.
Good night.
Sweet dreams.
Sleep tight.
A little cinnamon.
A little bit of nutmeg. You're the best cooks ever!
I can't wait to see your pie.
It's almost ready. And for the final ingredient.
Oh no! It looks like we're all out of water.
But my pie! There's a water fountain at the top of that hill.
Let's go!
Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Up Jack got and home did trot as fast as he could caper, and went to bed to mend his head with vinegar and brown paper. Jill came in and she did grin to see Jack's paper plaster. She jumped for joy to see the boy all healed from his disaster. Jill and Jack, they made a pact to fix that road the next day. They had the will to tame that hill and make a safer pathway. With stones and sticks and mud and bricks, they built with careful timing steps to guide them up the side, the hill that they were climbing. steps were good, and so they could live happily ever after. They fixed that hill so Jack and Jill lived happily ever after. They fixed that hill so Jack and Jill lived happily ever after.
At last, water.
I have a feeling this pie is gonna be perfect. Here we go.
I hope so. Let's see it.
Yes, we did it. Now, would anybody like some pie?
Wow, look at these roses.
This reminds me of a fun song and game. Have you ever played Ring Around the Rosie?
Yeah.
Can I play?
Sure. Come on.
Ring around the rosy, pocket full of posies. Ashes, ashes, we all fall down. Ring around the rosy, pocket full of posies. Ashes, ashes, we all fall down. Skipping and singing and having lots of fun. Laughing, running underneath the sun. Skipping and singing and having lots of fun. Laughing, running underneath the sun. Ring around the rosy, pocket full of posies. Ashes, ashes, we all fall down. Ring around the rosy, pocket full of posies. Ashes, ashes, we all fall down.
Now you sing it.
Ring around the rosy, pocket full of posies. Ashes, ashes, we all fall down. Ring around the rosy, pocket full of posies. Ashes, ashes, we all fall down. Skipping and singing and having lots of fun. Laughing, running underneath the sun. Skipping and singing and having lots of fun. Laughing, running underneath the sun. Ring around the rosy, pocket full of posies. Ashes, ashes, we all fall down. Ring around the rosy, pocket full of posies. Ashes, ashes, we all fall down.
Teddy bear, teddy bear.
Hey, Teddy, are you ready?
I am one ready Teddy. Everybody clap, clap, clap along.
Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, jump up high. Teddy bear, touch the sky. Teddy bear, bend down low. Teddy bear, touch your toes. Teddy bear, turn off the light.
Everybody say shh.
Teddy bear, say good night.
Hi, Mary.
Hi, Teddy.
Oh, I love gardens. Can I help?
For sure. First, we have to plant the seeds.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, and here's a watering can.
Thank you.
Now, let's give these flowers a little shower.
Mary, quite contrary, how does your garden grow?
With silver bells and cockle shells and pretty maids all in a row.
Boat? Check. Life jacket? Check. Friends? Check. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat. Row, row, row your boat Gently down the stream.
row your boat gently down the stream.
Gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a
Row your
dream.
boat gently down the stream.
Your boat
Merrily, 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 merrily,
merrily, merrily, merrily,
merrily.
merrily, life is but a dream.
Bye.